So we're here doing another unboxing demonstration of this SADES, I think that's how you say that, wireless Bluetooth keyboard. So it fits a whole bunch of different devices. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this thing real quick here. So do this. Okay. Looks like we got the keyboard, some instructions here. All right, well, look at that. That's pretty cool, kind of unique design. Kind of, I really like the color. It's got these nice large like keys, and it's got like little teddy bears on them and stuff. That's really cool. Anyway, it says we can hook this up to our iPhone and stuff like that, and different things. So we're gonna try and do that. All right. So what I did here, I want to connect this to my phone. So I enabled Bluetooth on my phone. Hit the little since I have a Apple phone, I hit the little iOS button here, which is under I, and then I hit the paw and the WE, and it brought up the keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and click the keyboard there, and okay, it says we are connected to the keyboards. Okay, so if I just type on this keyboard, grand, oops, piano, enter. Sweet. I mean, this is really cool. I didn't even know they had keyboards that could connect to your phone. I hate typing on my stupid phone. It's so tiny. So this is really cool. I like how I can just connect to it. Um, I think there's other devices I can connect to it as well. So I think I'll try and connect it to my a laptop and see how that works. We'll be right back. All right. So it says you can also hook up to a laptop, but it says to first pull the little um, this little wireless device out of the back there. All right, so it says, yeah, open the battery cover and remove the receiver, so the little receiver. Plug in the receiver and then enable the 2.4 G mode. Plug it in over here. Okay, that fits. And then it says enable the 2.4 G mode. So it says the little paw, which is the function key, and the 2.4, which is this one over here. So just hold these down. It said for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay. So I think it's engaged. Let's see here. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can type something in there. Hi there. Oh yeah. Enter. There you go. So it works just fine on laptops as well. Super easy to connect. You saw that with the Bluetooth on my phone. On my laptop, just plug the little receiver into the USB port. Connects like right away. I really like the look of it. It's got like cute little characters on there, and nice big keys. Yeah, just a really nice little keyboard for your phone, different things like that. It's supposed to have a very long lasting battery life, which is awesome. And it shuts off after like 10 minutes, I believe. It has all kinds of function keys as well up here. Looks like it'd be super portable. Could just put this in your backpack, good to go. Looks like yeah, it's lightweight. You can connect it to all kinds of different devices, and it's easily done. Has Bluetooth 3.0, Bluetooth 5.0, has a little receiver, so it's different ways to connect things. Anyway, yeah, just looks like a really nice little keyboard. So super functional. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Okay, bye.